If you've never made espresso with one of these machines, I'm going to show you how. First thing you want to do is fill the water up to see where that little kind of looks like a little pimple thing is. It's a little notch, and that's where you want to fill the water up to. And then you take your coffee holder, and then you're going to put one, notice they're not full completely. And because I'm strange, I always put 3. Yes, is this going to be strong? Absolutely. Okay, pack it down a little bit. Make sure that this little part's clear so it doesn't get... Right. And then we put the top on. It's on there real good. Okay. It's on there good. Okay. And then we take it over to the stove. And we put it on the stove. I have one of these nice little things that my little pots don't fall through. Okay. And then we're going to put the flame on. And put it on low. And wait until it's done, which should be a few minutes, and then we'll go on to the next thing.